So I wanted to share a book with you. This is something different than what I usually do, but I thought it would be kind of neat. This book is called Just a Thunderstorm by Gina and Mercer Mayer, and focus on the awesome illustrations that they have. I think it's really neat. That's why I'm sharing it. I wouldn't share it if it wasn't that great. Just a Thunderstorm. And it's also got some other illustrations added to it. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Mom said a thunderstorm was coming. The sky was dark and the wind was blowing. I helped Mom bring in the clothes from the clothesline, and my brother picked up our toys from the yard. Then we heard a faint rumbling noise, but I wasn't scared. I knew it was just a little thunder. Here, kitty. It started pouring down rain. Mom forgot to roll up the car window, so I went with my brother to do it for her. We got soaked. And that's where the kitty is, in the car. Gotta have a kitty in a story. While Mom was making dinner, we saw lightning. Oh. Then the power went out. Always focus on the kitty. Dad lit some candles and made a fire in the fireplace. It's because Dad is cool. We roasted marshmallows and hot dogs for dinner. It was just like a real camp out. The power came back on just in time for our favorite TV show, but the weatherman kept interrupting it. Then it really started thundering loud. Soon Mom and Dad said it was time for bed, but I didn't want to go to bed while there's so much thunder. Dad let me leave the light on so I could read, but that didn't help. The thunder was too loud. I tried listening to my favorite tape, but I still couldn't hear. I tried listening to my favorite tape, but I could still hear the thunder and see the lightning. Look how freaked out the kitty is. So I put my head under my pillow. That didn't help either. I started crying and I called Dad. Cat bailed. I said, I hate thunderstorms. Dad said, thunderstorms can seem scary, but they're really very good. They bring rain so that plants can grow and we can have enough water to drink. Look at the rainbow and the thunderstorm, the pond, and the kitty. Isn't this a great book? But I was still scared, so I climbed into bed with my brother. He said he wasn't scared. Then there was a big clap of thunder. We both screamed. That scared us even more. We ran into Mom and Dad's room. They said we could sleep on their floor. The next morning when I woke up, the sun was shining. And the kitty was still sleeping. Mom said, see, thunderstorms are nothing to be afraid of. I didn't say anything. I just went outside to play with my brother's boats. I think thunderstorms are really scary, but they sure make great mud puddles. That's the end.